Hysterectomy is surgical removal of Option A. Prostate gland. Option B. Vas deferens. Option C. Mammary gland. Option D. Uterus. Answer is option D. Uterus. A hysterectomy is surgery to completely or partially remove the womb or uterus. The most common reasons for having a hysterectomy include fibroids, pelvic organ prolapse, very heavy or painful periods, endometriosis and uterine, cervical or ovarian cancer. There are 3 types of hysterectomy based on which organs and tissue are removed. Partial or supracervical hysterectomy. The main body of the womb is removed. Total or complete hysterectomy. The womb and the cervix are removed. Radical hysterectomy. A radical hysterectomy involves removing the womb and cervix, the nearby part of the vagina and parts of the supporting tissues, and sometimes also the fallopian tubes, ovaries, and pelvic lymph nodes. Serum differs from blood because it lacks Option A. Antibodies. Option B. Clotting factors. Option C. Albumins. Option D. Globulins. Answer is option B. Clotting factors. Blood is composed of a clear, straw-colored, watery fluid called plasma in which different types of blood cells are suspended. Serum is that part of blood which is similar in composition with plasma but does not contain clotting factors of blood. It includes all proteins not used in blood clotting and all the electrolytes, antibodies, antigens, hormones, etc. The Indian Botanical Garden is located at Option A. Delhi. Option B. Allahabad. Option C. Kolkata. Option D. Lucknow. Answer is option C. Kolkata. The Indian Botanical Garden is most famous for the Great Banyan tree, which boasts of having the largest canopy in the world. It is located in Howrah, near Kolkata. At present, it is officially called Indian Botanic Garden, Howrah, but is known generally as the Calcutta Botanic Garden in India and abroad. Which one of the following pairs is mismatched? Option A. Vitamin C. Scurvy. Option B. Vitamin D. Rickets. Option C. Vitamin K. Beriberi. Option D. Vitamin A. Xerophthalmia. Answer is option C. Vitamin K. Beriberi. The scientific name of vitamin A is retinol. Night blindness and xerophthalmia are the deficiency disease of vitamin A. The scientific name of vitamin D2 is argocalciferol and vitamin D3 is cholecalciferol. Rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults are the deficiency disease of vitamin D. The scientific name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid, vitamin K is antihemorrhagic factor, vitamin B1 is thiamine. The deficiency disease of vitamin C, scurvy or bleeding gums and pithed frog, conditions in baby. Vitamin K, excessive bleeding due to injury. Vitamin B1, beriberi, extreme weakness. The concentration of which gas is highest in our environment? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, oxygen. Option D, carbon dioxide. Answer is option A, nitrogen. The most abundant gas present in the atmosphere is nitrogen. It comprises 78% of the total atmosphere. Oxygen amounts to 21%. Milk protein is Option A, lactogen. Option B, myosin. Option C, casein. Option D, pepsin. Answer is option C, casein. Milk proteins includes casein protein and whey proteins or milk serum proteins. There are 3 types of casein protein: alpha, beta, and gamma. Whey proteins includes alpha-lactalbumin and beta-lactoglobulin. Cow milk contains 3% casein, while buffalo milk contains 4.3% casein. Casein contributes about 80% of total milk protein. Casein exists in milk in the form of calcium caseinate phosphate complex. Casein is responsible for viscosity and white color of milk. The World Soil Day is celebrated on Option A, December 4th, Option B, December 5th, Option C, December 6th, Option D, December 7th. Answer is Option B, December 5th. December 5th is celebrated annually as World Soil Day to highlight the importance of healthy soil and promote sustainable management of soil resources. The event aims to raise awareness of the importance of soil quality for human well-being, food security, and ecosystems. Tibia is a bone found in the Option A, skull, Option B, arm, Option C, face, Option D, leg. Answer is Option D, leg. The tibia is the main bone of the leg, also known as shin bone. It is the second largest bone within the body, situated on the medial side in the leg. The tibia is the preaxial bone and homologous with the lateral bone of the forearm, the radius. It carries weight of the body from femur to the foot. Myopia is connected with Option A, eyes, Option B, ears, Option C, lungs, Option D, none. Answer is Option A, eyes. Myopia is an eye defect in which patients cannot see long-distance objects clearly. It can be corrected by using concave lens. Foot and mouth disease in animal is caused by Option A, virus, Option B, bacteria, Option C, fungi, Option D, algae. Answer is Option A, virus. FMD is also known as aphthous fever and tiger heart. It is highly contagious and sometimes fatal. It is a viral disease of cloven-footed animals, cattle, buffalo, sheep, goats, pig. The causative agent is aphthovirus. Mycology is the study of Option A, hydrilla, Option B, virus, Option C, rhizobium, Option D, fungi. Answer is Option D, fungi. Which of the following organs contains bundle of His? Option A, kidney, Option B, brain, Option C, pancreas, Option D, heart. Answer is Option D, heart. Bundle of His is a group of heart muscles that carry electrical signals for the regulation of heartbeat in our body. The atrioventricular bundle is another name for bundle of His. It is located in the interatrial septum. Ordinary table salt is sodium chloride. What is baking soda? Option A, potassium chloride, Option B, potassium carbonate, Option C, potassium hydroxide, Option D, sodium bicarbonate. Answer is Option D, sodium bicarbonate. Plants developing in dry conditions are Option A, xerophytes, Option B, mesophytes, Option C, lithophytes, Option D, hydrophytes. Answer is Option A, xerophytes. Xerophytes are plants which are adapted to dry or desert areas. Mesophytes are terrestrial plants which are adapted to neither a particularly dry nor particularly wet environment. Lithophytes are plants that grow on stones and rocks or in their crevices. Hydrophyte is a plant that grows wholly or partly submerged in water. PCR stand for Option A, peptide chain reaction, Option B, polymerase chain reaction, Option C, polycarbonyl reaction, Option D, pentapeptide chain reaction. Answer is Option B, polymerase chain reaction. PCR is a technique used in molecular biology to amplify a single copy or a few copies of a segment of DNA across several orders of magnitude, generating thousands to millions of copies of a particular DNA sequence. In 1983, Dr. Kary Mullis developed PCR. In 1985, first publication of PCR by Cedis Corporation appears in Science. In 1993, Dr. Kary Mullis shares Nobel Prize in Chemistry for conceiving PCR technology. Steps in PCR reaction: denaturation, annealing, extension. What is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? Option A, calcium. Option B, carbohydrates. Option C, iron. Option D, water. Answer is option C, iron. Hemoglobin is an iron-containing protein present in erythrocytes or red blood cells of almost all vertebrates. Each hemoglobin is made up of 4 subunits, 2 alpha subunits and 2 beta subunits. Each subunit surrounds the central heme group that contains iron and binds to one oxygen molecule.